Hi, kids. Would you like to go fishing? We're ready to go fishing. Rubble, do you want to go first? Why don't you catch the yellowfish, Rubble? Grab your yellow fishing pole. Oh, look! You got a yellow fishy! Hi, little yellow fishy! Whee! Okay, Marshall, your turn. Do you want to use the red fishing pole? Why don't you catch a redfish, Marshall? Here you go. Look at that! You caught a red fishy! Hi, little fishy! Hello! Put it down in front of the yellow one. Okay, Rocky, your turn. Time to catch a fish. Do you want to catch a green fishy? Here you go. Keep trying. Here's a green little fishy. Ooh, look, you caught a green little fishy. Hi, little fishy. Okay, whose turn is it next? I think it's yours, Rubble. Grab your fishing pole. Oh, look, you caught a yellow fishy. Hi, little fishy. All right, Marshall, your turn. Time to catch a red fishy. Here you go. Oh, look, you caught a red fishy. Hi, little red fishy. So far, Marshall, you have 2 fishies. Rubble, you have 2 fishies. And Rocky, you have 2 fishies. Do you want to catch some more? Okay. You caught a green fish. All right. Rubble, you're up. And you caught another yellow fishy. Hi, yellow fishy. You guys are doing good. Marshall, it's your turn. No. Peppa. No, George. You don't belong. No, sorry. George, your video is not till the next one. Go back. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, Marshall, you're up. Time to catch a fishy. The fishy fell. That's okay, Marshall. Okay, Rocky, here you go. Time to catch a fishy. Boop. Ooh, I got the green fishy. Very nice. All right, Rubble, your turn. Time to catch a fishy. Oh, no, there's no more yellow fishies. What am I going to do? Maybe you could go after the orange fishies. You want to try to catch some orange fishies? I think I want to catch some blue fishies. Okay, go for the blue ones. Whee! You got one. Okay, Marshall, your turn to catch a fish. Which one do you want to catch? I'll catch the red fishy. Oh, good. Doop. And you got one. Okay, Rocky, your turn to catch a fishy. You want to catch the green one? And you got him. Whee! I caught a green fishy. So far, you have 4 green fishy. Marshall has 4 red fishies. And Rubble, you have 3 yellow fishies and 1 blue fishy. Which one are you going to catch next, Rubble? I caught an orange fishy. That's definitely an orange fishy. You want to catch another one? Okay. There's 2 more orange fishies. What's that, Marshall? You want to take a turn now? Okay, you can take a turn. You want to catch a blue fishy or a red fishy? I want to catch a red fishy. Ooh, look at that. You got the red fishy. How nice. Your fish are really piling up. Okay, Rocky, here you go. Time to catch a fishy. Doop. Ah, you caught the blue fishy. Almost out of fish. Which one are you going to catch, Rubble? I'm going to catch the orange fishy. Okay. Ah, the fishy fell. All right, Marshall, you're up. Which fishy do you want to catch? No, George, it's not your turn yet. George, you're in the wrong video.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Silly George. Okay, Marshall, which one do you want to catch? I want to catch the blue fishy. There you go. Rah! And Rocky, last chance. You want to get the orange? I got the orange! I got the orange! Yay! Rocky got the orange fishy! All together, how many fishies do we have? Well, let's count them up. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 green fishies. And let's count the orange ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 orange fishies. Let's count the blue ones. 1, 2, 3 blue fishies. And the yellow. 1, 2, 3 yellow fishies. And the final fishies are red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red fishies. Jump, jump, jump. Yay, we all got the fishies.